YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. All right, before we get into this vid, gotta shout out my sponsor, Into the AM. You already use the discount code WAVY80 and save off your purchase, or you can use the video description below and save. Yo, it's getting warm out here. These essential tees, shorts, the polos, come in clutch for this type of weather. Go check them out. Into the AM, you're already out. Decided to stop back again into New Balance. Boom. Pick up a pair of sneaks. Been looking at these sneaks for a minute, but before we talk about the sneaks, I'm gonna talk about something else that I caught when I was in there. Got some socks. Yeah, got some socks right here, some lifestyle socks. Boom. 2 pair of these joints. Yeah, I like this pair. This is what I grabbed for. Then I found out it was like a 2-pack. So kind of like Tupac, you know what I'm saying? So got a like a charcoal. Got a charcoal type joint right here, kind of tie-dye a little bit, tie-dye-ish, but this is my colorway right here. This is the joint I like right here. $15.99, but I got it on sale for, I believe my military discount was 10% off. I don't know. I know online though, supposedly your discount is 25%, so I could have waited, but yeah. Something else I couldn't wait for, boom, got me a pair of shorts. These were $55 originally. Boom. But I ended up getting them for like $38 because of my discount. So you go figure. Oh no, because of my discount and they were 30% off. Yeah, so boom. Get your pockets in the back right here. Drawstring. Let's see. Yeah, pockets decent. Yeah, pockets decent. As long as you can get your wrist up in the joint, you okay. I'm gonna leave these right here for the next joint. So, boom. Drop away, bam. Yeah, you already got the New Balance 9060, the Arctic gray joints. Yep, nothing to really read right here. Size 10, it says something about gray. You know, anyway. You know master don't let us, you always say, you know master don't hold with us. I've already tried these on, already laced them, already got B-roll. Yeah, already. When I first seen these joints, I said yes. I would like this pair right here. I tried to get them off of, now I think I was late to the party and I tried to get them off New Balance and it just was a no-go. These were already sold out. I was like, damn. I've been intrigued by the 9060s, I ain't gonna lie. The bulk of them, they kind of do look like, oh, okay. This is what my ribs saw yesterday. Kind of see some glue issues already. Boom. But anyway, they give me that, like that high-end fashion type bulk to them. I'm not gonna say the full vibe, but you know them big bulky cloggy sneaks. This is the closest that I'm gonna get to them because how frugal I am. Or broke. But yeah, no, when I first saw them, I was like, yeah, I definitely want to cop them. I love this color right here, for real. It's something unique about them. Definitely Yankee Stadium bound, you know, just like my other New Balances. So I'm on 2 pair in my collection. 4 pair throughout my whole life, you know what I'm saying, new. I got a size 10 in these because I felt like these look kind of narrow. It was a no-brainer, and like I say, I hate the scrunch in the front of my foot. I can't do that. Clean for the summer. The color is nice and light for it, but I was reading.
Read. Yeah, motherfucker. I ain't no criminal.
And I saw that these could be kind of like warm sneaks. I don't think like the insulation is like built for like real warm weather. And up here in New York, I know we only get a little bit of warm weather, but when that sun's beaming on that pavement, yeah, that's why we put the foam posits up, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, we ain't talking about the other guys, we're talking about the New Balance joints. These are from the gray pack. They also have the nickname Moon Daze. I was looking online. The only place I saw online that had these was Shoe Palace. They had them in my size 10, and there's some other like UK site that I wasn't about to pay the extra fees for. So we'll talk later. Anyway, looking at this sneak, you got a worn look. You got your scuffs and everything like that. It's cool. What I don't like is I do see some flaws on my joint. Like let's say straight up right now. You see the New Balance right here. Well, we'll talk about that later. But anyway, man, let's take it to the sole. Bam, you got your 9060 sole right here. Diamond patterns right there in gray. You see navy blue, you see light gray. You got your New Balance lettering right there. The medial side, you see the bulky midsole right here. You got hits of that navy blue with like some light gray scuffs going through. You also see the letters absorb right here. Take it up a bit. Light groove midsole, gray right here. Like I said, it's the bulky joint. I'm not sure what this is. I ain't go front, but it's translucent and I do like it. first look. It kind of gives like polyurethane vibes, you know what I'm saying?
Where you learn such fancy words at?
We're gonna take it to the upper. Upper consists of nubuck, mesh, and also you got your reflective patterns right here. Got your eyelets for the laces right there, all the way to the top. You got your plastic eyelet in gray. You got your reflective section right here. We're gonna take it to the lateral side, the side that gets all the what? Lateral side, same as the medial side. You see that sole right there, navy blue. Got your scuffs going through up here. Also, you see that piece that kind of wraps around. I guess kind of like a clip or something. See, like it holds it together. Not that it does, but yeah, kind of like a clip. But anyway, you got your New Balance logo in gray. I want to say that the outer is, it's either black or navy. Yeah, I get a black outline. You got your laceless right here, plastic joint at the top, reflective section right here. Like I said, the upper, same as the other side. You got your mesh, you got your nubuck, got a couple reflective sections going through. You see the New Balance end right there in the front of the sole that wraps on top of the toe box. You got nubuck in that light blue. Got your reflective section right here. New Balance end stitched in that light blue. The laces are kind of like a off-white, I guess, kinda. But yeah, you got your laces right there, flat laces. Got your mesh section of the tongue right there, leading all the way up to your navy. Yeah, one of them bucks. But yeah, the navy blue tongue right here. 960 numbered in the royal blue, as well as the New Balance logo in red. It's inside of a badge. Yeah, so that's pretty dope. Let's take it to the back of these girls. No pause necessary. The back off gate, got that navy blue sole right there, as well as the scuffing, the upper midsole, gray, light blue. Then you got that, say, clip going around. Take it to the upper, nubuck, light gray. The back, you got the reflective section right there, surrounded by those two mesh areas in navy blue. Got your New Balance logo stitched in navy blue as well. The inside is light blue as well. I like that color though. I ain't gonna hold you. Will he do a, yeah, just, you know. Got your light blue insole right there. You also have New Balance running a triangle MB logo in navy blue, and something nobody will dare to see. This is more like a, I ain't gonna say a UNC blue, FUBU blue, nothing, but it's FUBU-ish. Well, yeah, it's FUBU-ish, you know what I'm saying? If I missed anything, my bad. Oh yeah, so how much did I spend on these? These sneaks they're $160 in store. I believe in store though, the military discount is 10%. I couldn't get the ID Me discount, which is 25% if you go through the ID Me site, but some of them joints are, you know, there's no discount on them. Let me know, did you pick these joints up? The hunt for them. Like I said, they did sell out. I was looking on StockX, Gold. When I really was like, I'm gonna pull the trigger on these, it was probably like yesterday morning. I did see them in Shoe Palace, but I was like, man, you know what? I said, we got a New Balance store in the city. This ain't that online race, you know what I'm saying? That's one thing I love about New York. You got a good chance to find some joints. So I hit up the store, I'm like, yo, I got them joints? They're like, yeah. I was like, hold them for me. Be down there after work. But yeah, any issues with these? Yes. Now I know it does have this worn look, but you got some flaws. Right here on the New Balance logo, there's like I don't know. It's just it's a real scuff. You see some extra glue areas as well. You probably wouldn't be able to see them when I'm rocking them, but I see them. Stitch flaw right here. Boom. No biggie, but it's like you know. I should have really like put eyes on them. I mean, I ain't tripping like that. But anyway, yeah, so that's them right there. About to do that best on foot. In this on foot, two of the cargos, they will be from Black Taylor. You can use my discount code WAVY80, save 10% off your purchase. Speaking of Black Taylor, my next unboxing vid, which is more than likely to be the Jordan 6, the Toros. I'm gonna be unboxing some more joints from Black Taylor. But anyway, yo, I'm about to get up out of here. Y'all ready? Shout out to the Wave Mob. Shout out to everybody that's been rocking with me, liking, commenting, all that. Follow me on that Snap. Follow me on that IG. Follow me on that Twitter be. That Snups. It's your boy Wavy. I already know this is my channel. I'm gonna store at your beach, like I always like to say, see you when I see you.
The definition of fly, that's how I look at you. You stay fly, my nigga.
New York was good. Stand up, it's your boy Max, Biggest Belly. I know y'all forgot about me, but I'm back like I left my car keys.
Y'all, nigga. Y'all. King Chip, extra fresh, put that on my mama now. Light skin with the men's chillin' right beside of him. Booty California, shout out to my cousin Jonathan. He been in jealous whole life, now he out here trying to win. Yeah, I'm swaggin' like Deion Sanders. When he had the jury curling all the answers, they gon' talk about the king until the end of time. If I keep breath up in my lungs, and bitch, you know I'm finna grind. King Chip worth more than Wells Fargo. Put the blunt out on the glass in the marble. Here this nigga go, so full of himself. Oh God, give me head, bitch. Blow job better than no job. She love the way I don't care. Wanna get married to me. Watching news in Cleveland, scarier than scary movie. Smoking in my hotel at the Ritz, trying not to ass on tits. However you feel about Chip Show ain't gon' change all this.
Y'all niggas got the game fucked up. Y'all niggas got the game fucked up. Y'all niggas got the game fucked up. Y'all niggas.
Promise not many niggas living like this. If I was on the toilet, I still wouldn't get two shits. When I spray the tech, all your niggas gon' desert you. Knowing not to fuck with King Chip, it's a virtue. Put up and she got him wearing nothing but a leather coat. Damn, that pussy wet when she got out, had on my leather soap. Don't be chasing women if she wanna go do so.
Y'all niggas got the game fucked up.
I'm the most organic rap nigga in the galaxy. I don't fuck with broke hoes, bitch, that's my policy. We ain't got no blunts, oh fuck it, roll a joint then. King Chip swaggin' on your daddy and your boyfriend. Offer me the pussy, I ain't bout to ask, can I? Living on the road, got my condo in the semi. Who gives a fuck if you Democrat or a pub? Is you ballin' like a king or is you broke as the fuck?
Y'all niggas got the game fucked up. Y'all niggas got the game fucked up. Y'all niggas got the game fucked up. Y'all niggas.
How we looking? I'm looking, bitch. Let's go. Young sons don't talk about advise you not to say. Try jump on my spots, you must got me mistaken. I'm mistaken. Where the cookies? I just cooked it. How we looking? Dumb chunks on my block and they all filled with payments. Young ducks on my jock and they all look to take it. But you cooked it. Where the cookies? I just cooked it. How we looking? Oh my God, man, he passed nice, y'all niggas tacky. So my plug once he get ready, he best get at me. Said he had me, hit me fastly, left a packy, now I'm happy. Fight my style alright, don't care, I'm still gon' see me. As I look around, nobody that I see. Let it see, skirts, let it squeeze still. Slice it stored out, nigga beast still. I'm still a beast though. Call me glue hope, stick it to the cheek code. I let that thing go, aim it, pop, 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 then I reload. Young sons don't talk about advise you not to say. Try jump on my spots, you must got me mistaken. I'm mistaken. Where the cookies? I just cooked it. How we looking? Dumb chunks on my block and they all filled with payments. Ducks on my jock and they all built to take it. But you cooked it. Where the cookies? I just cooked it. How we live? I brought a ticket and I spent it right on some dope shit. Give me a minute while I finish all of this rose. Knocking like who there, that's your boo there, I let her rotate. I'm in my woo wear, I feel like Ghostface. I whip Ferrari out, Mari, I'm making folks say. I get your body, you beside me, he beat the whole case. I told my leman that I'm fiendin', bring me the whole case. I told my leman that I'm fiendin', bring me the whole case. I swoop inside the coupe, the rider, nigga, I'm so fat. Bubbling like Zada, I'm deciding you niggas so fake. I swoop inside the coupe, the rider, nigga, I'm so great. Bubbling like Zada, I'm deciding you niggas so fake. Young sons don't talk about advise you not to say. Try jump on my spots, you must got me mistaken. I'm mistaken. Where the cookies? I just cooked.
Everything y'all niggas do, I don't do. I do the other thing. Everything y'all niggas go across the street that way, I'm going up. Holla at your boy.